Hey, this is my first video. Talking kind of quiet right now because I'm still kind of nervous. But here I'm at University Falls. So here I'm at University Falls. This is the start of the hike. Got quite a few people here, and just walking around. Busy than I expected. I think I've never been here on a weekday. I don't know. So yeah, this is pretty much hiking in Oregon. There's beautiful trails that are fantastic, really. Yeah. So I started this channel because, well, I'm old, I'm fat, and I'm alone, and just trying to get out and do something with my life, you know. I don't have any community. I need to find a church. You know, it's something. Yeah, but this is a pretty short hike. Man, see, I'm pretty winded already. I'm out of shape, you know. Not long ago, I was running 50-mile races. Yeah, how times change, you know. How times change. I'm gonna try to fly my drone up here at the falls. There's a lot of people here, but you know, I was thinking that the drone noise would mess them up, but not mess them up. Obviously, it wouldn't mess them up, but you know, mess with their peace, you know. But boy, you know, hiking up this hill is going to be difficult on the way back for me. But mess with their peace, you know. But the reality is, I don't know if you can hear it because I got my earbuds in, which is allowing me to talk somewhat quietly. There's a fire road. But there's some motorbikes buzzing around here, you know. This year, that trail was like a dune buggy or four-wheeler or Jeep trail. I don't know if I need a better camera for this, or if maybe, I don't know. Yeah. What's the best? You know, guys, I'm just learning here, just like everybody else. Well, not just like everybody else. I don't know. I mean, I'm new, you know. I've never done any video editing, so trying to do some video editing. It's gonna be a new experience for me, and you can see my previous videos were pretty bad, you know. They just smashed together videos with well, it was really just the raw data of the flight with goofy free music added, you know. Yeah, this hill. I hope I'm on the right trail, because I don't want to walk down this hill for no reason. But it's a pretty steep hill. I mean, it doesn't look like it on there, but like, it's going down pretty steep. I don't know how to show that on the video, but all this farm, it's like literally a jungle in here, you know. It's pretty cool. This is not the first time I've been to this. Been on this hike. I know it's a pretty short hike, so I chose it as my first talking hike of purpose. You know. The tree that came down there. Yeah, this is Tillamook Forest, and they harvest the trees. I guess this one just got away. The one that got away. Like you'll see up here in a little while. At least, well, yeah. I mean, it was a couple years ago, but the trees don't grow that fast. They had it clear cut, and I think they were planting some new trees to regrow it. It's kind of a steep step here. What does this button do? Take a picture, maybe. I don't know what that button. There's a little button on the screen. I don't know what it does. Maybe it takes pictures. Getting pretty tight in here. So what do you do when you go hiking? This is talking about hike is new. I've never, you know, I don't go out with people, so talking is something I really don't do too much. I do a lot of thinking, you know, some quiet thoughts, contemplation. While I hike, what do you do? I went to go see a movie, Good One or something like that. I don't know. It was about this girl and her dad went camping with her dad's friend, and I kind of left, so I don't know what happened. I didn't kind of leave. I did leave. I just walked out of the theater. So I don't know exactly what the deal was with that. Yeah, you can see up here, they did cut these trees down. They chopped them. They gave this forest a little haircut. And you can see some growing back up. It wasn't as green last time I was here. I brought my bike. I rode my bike out here, actually. Can you imagine riding a mountain bike? These, I mean, it's not too bad, I guess, in the grand scheme of things, you know. But I'm not an expert mountain biker. Look at this little bridge. I wonder what's over there. If it'd be worth crossing. I doubt it. Yeah, you know, I don't know. I've been having chest pains lately. I don't know the cause of it. The doctor, he's done all kinds of tests and says he doesn't know the cause of it. He's calling me a hypochondriac. It's ridiculous. I mean, I'm literally feeling these chest pains. You know, I wouldn't just make shit up, you know. And it's not like I come up with different scenarios for why I'm having chest pains. I mean, I don't know much about hypochondria, but yeah, you can see that. So I don't think I fit this is. I mean, so I was vaping. Well, I vaped, I didn't vape, I did vape, I didn't vape. I was having chest pains with vaping, I was having chest pains without the vaping. I don't know. So I went the other day. I went had some breakfast. My power went out, and so I wasn't able to use my CPAP machine. And it's a beautiful day. Even overcast. Boy. Yeah, so I wasn't able to use my CPAP, and anyway, so I woke up. My power was still off, and I decided I'd go get some breakfast. So I went and had some French toast at a diner, Sherry's. Some French toast, some ham, and some hash browns. Another steep hill. This is going to be hell for me coming back up. Oh boy. Yeah, like I said, I rode my bike, and then I rode my bike back up here. Yeah, somehow, I don't know. I think I probably pushed it a little bit. I'm not as strong as a rider as I could have been. Yeah. So after breakfast, we stopped at 7. I just had water up there. I didn't have coffee or anything. Stopped at 7-Eleven to grab a 20-ounce soda. Just something to kind of wake me up a little bit. I didn't sleep well. I didn't use my CPAP, so I didn't sleep well. So I needed something to get going. Had some of that soda, a Coke. Only about a quarter of it, but still. Anyway, I was still vaping nicotine, 35 milligram version, not the high stuff. And I get home, still tired. Just had a quarter of that soda. And I get home and lay down on my bed. And all of a sudden, it just, I feel something weird, in my chest. Like, oh no, it's just a sense, something not right. Check my watch, and my heart rate was up to 111 or something like that. And I was just laying down, like what the hell's going on, So a little bit frightened, I stand up, walk over to my desk to get some propanolol, which just helps lower your heart rate. So I went over there to grab some propanolol. By the time I got over there, my heart rate was already 145, 140, and it was basically I walked 10 feet, and my heart rate shot up like that. It's quite a lot, and it frightened me. So, but anyway, I took 2 propanolol, went and laid down, did like 15 minutes of breathing exercises, and just kept breathing. Yeah, 15-20 minutes. I did three 5-minute ones, so it was so I did 3 5-minute breath exercises, but there was some time in between. It was about 20 minutes. My heart rate came down a little bit. It was still like 99, 100. So it was flipping back around forth around there, and so I got up and I took another propanolol, and I went and laid down again, and just kind of just laid down and just silence. I wasn't listening to X on podcasts or anything that could have stressed me out a bit, And yeah. Yeah, and the heart rate kind of came down a bit, Kind of concerned. There wasn't any chest pain, which is, at this moment, it was pretty weird. Like, Like, why isn't there chest pain? I have had chest pain. Typically, it's pretty constant. But in this case, you know, it wasn't chest pain, just a racing heart rate. I call up the insurance and do like a little quick online meet with the doctor, and I already knew I needed to go into urgent care, so I went into urgent care. And that's what they suggested too. So I went in urgent care, and I guess I did EKG. Everything came back fine. You know, I think I missed the event, but they didn't check my heart attack enzymes, which I think could have been a mistake. You know, but I guess they said that the doctor said they wouldn't let him do that there, which is kind of weird. Maybe the enzyme test, the heart enzyme test, is expensive. I don't know. But, and I was sure the EKG would come back fine. Yeah. So, anyway. I'm getting closer. I don't know if you can hear it, but the waterfall is definitely in earshot. The bad thing is I need to pee, and there is a family. as I just started hiking before I did. I've been walking pretty slow. I didn't pass them. It's just kind of weird. They had some little tiny kids. I don't know how I didn't pass. I mean, I've been going slow, but usually with kids, it's really slow walking. Here we are, the first view of University Falls. Maybe they were going someplace else. I don't know. I don't hear any sounds of kids up here. Yeah. So here it is. Oh, there we go. I guess. Yes, there we are. What a beautiful place. I'm going to stop this video now, and I'm going to try to pull out my drone. I'm going to pull out my drone and see if I can kind of get some good shots, some drone shots of the waterfall. Look how beautiful it is. Like, Yeah, so this is the camera. I don't know. I don't want to. There's me right down there. I don't know. I don't want to lose my drone. Yeah, not so much to record here with it. And that's it. All right. So this is that was University Falls. As best as I could get with the drone. I don't know. It's pretty cramped in here. I just wanted to see. But I won't record. You saw it was about 17 minutes or so out to the falls, which is a very short hike. Anybody who's got difficulty moving around can make this. So not anybody, but a lot of people that maybe think they can't go on hikes could make this hike. It's doable. Although the way back, it is going to be some work. Not gonna lie. I'm a bit. I'm not going to record the uphill parts because you'll just get me breathing really heavy and not being able to think right. Yeah, I guess those are the most open, straight from source times. But I'll do a recap at the end when I get out of the trail. Explain how difficult I thought it was. But yeah, thanks for sticking through this far. I wish the drone footage could be better. I just don't know what I'm doing exactly. I need to get a better feel for it. Like, literally, I've only been flying this thing a couple times, so. Yeah. Who knows? What a nice day. You know, I'm here. I've got a hoodie on and everything, hoodie and jeans, and yeah, walking down the hill. I'm pretty comfortable. Now I'm gonna get pretty hot walking up the hill, I'm sure. These trails are. I mean, it rained the other day. These trails are not disgusting. Highly recommend this hike. Another hill here. I mean, it's just a little tiny hill, you know. But boy, I am out of shape. So I'm just gonna record till we get to that sign I showed you earlier. I still don't know what. Oh. Is it a zoom? I don't know what that is. Yeah, you can see, you just get distracted with little things as I'm running out of juice. But, yeah. So, you know, I wonder if I could fly this drone from here. I don't want to risk it really, but I gotta pee, so.